gentlemen, Defeated Model here, and thank you again for tuning into another video. So on this one, I think it was about last week, I was going through Facebook and whatnot, and before that, like 3 months prior, I had seen pictures of this specific Funko Pop, and I was like, I need this in my life. And it was during lunch, I think it was last Friday, I was going through Facebook, and then I saw that they had posted this up online, but it had been for like 4 hours before. So I was like, oh, it's probably sold out, but I clicked the link anyways to see if it was still available, and it was, and I checked out. So I finally got to my house, and well, let's get on to the unboxing. By the way, it's from booksamillion.com. To be honest, I felt like it took forever to get here. It took like a week. Oh wow. Comes very well packaged. So it's a double boxed and even bubble wrap. So that's pretty cool. So in case this takes damage, this is fine. Here's the pop, guys. Books a Million exclusive, Wonder Woman. It's the box. This is only the second Wonder Woman I have, and the reason why I got this one because it has like the patina finish, which one of my grails of all grails is the Batman SCCC patina from 2013. So hopefully one day I'll have that. I've always wanted to see what this feels like, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Alright, we finally got it opened. Take the top out. Yeah, it does feel kind of weird. It's kind of light too. I don't know if you guys can really see that. But I love the colors on it. It's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, so that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a blessed day. Defeated Model out.